Another cold, clear morning, which is good for me because that usually means that the roads are nice and dry for the most part. Yes, when it's cold, the roads are dry. It's been a long week for me due to Black Friday and Cyber Monday and everybody online shopping for Christmas. We are busy where I work, so full loads on both trailers, but it's all good. Makes people happy. You can see we've gotten a little bit of snow. There's CP rails. I'm about 10 kilometers away from the BC Alberta border. It is minus 22 up here right now, as you can see my breath. Nothing too exciting happening other than work. Check out some views. This is the new chain off area that they built for us. Such a beautiful day. It's cold, but it's nice. Mountain shots for you guys, all covered in snow. Yeah, not much happening other than working hard, getting lots of trips in lately because of the rushes and Christmas. We're at our peak season right now. So it's Saturday morning. It's just about 9 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. But look how clear this sky is, eh? Clear and cold. Makes for good roads. Doesn't look good in the brake check, but the highway is nice and clear. They've sanded it, de-iced it and everything. Let me get back in here. Anyway, I like to stop here on the occasion and kick the tires, clean my taillights off. They're in good shape because it's been dry all night. No accumulation. So, a little slick. She wants to spin. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, nothing too much going on. I know I've been a little slow making videos. A lot of my time is spent in the dark in the winter. I start work, well, I get up at 10 o'clock at night and I don't see daylight until about 9ish in the morning, and then maybe 3 hours of daylight, and then I'm at my terminal and I go to bed and sleep, and I wake up and it's dark again and do the same thing all over again. Just go the other way. There's Great Divide Lodge. Been trying to think of video ideas and kind of at a little bit of a slump right now. October is kind of a bummer month for me because that's the month that my mom passed away 10 years ago now. No, it's still hard losing a parent at a young age. She was 56, just turned 56 a week before she passed away. It's a new month, it's almost Christmas time now. Another day, it'll be December 1st, and another month, it'll be a new year, and start it all over again. Oh, what a lovely night. Just in time for the sun to come up and stare directly into the sun.